Today, we'll learn how to use Smart Vinyl on the Cricut Maker. Before we begin, make sure you have the following items such as a compatible cutting machine like Cricut Maker or Explore 3. The Cricut Design Space software on your computer or mobile device. A premium fine point blade with housing. A 13-inch or 33 cm wide Smart Vinyl. A weeder tool. Cricut transfer tape. And finally, a burnishing tool like a scraper. Once you've got it all, follow the next steps. Step 1. Create or edit your design in Cricut Design Space. Once you're happy with your design, simply click on Make It to move on to the next step. Step 2. You'll be prompted to select your material load style. Simply select the Without Matte option and click on Confirm to proceed. Step 3. Click on Continue in the bottom right corner. Step 4. On the Make screen, select Browse All Materials to select Smart Vinyl material. Step 5. Search for Smart Vinyl in the search bar and select it. Step 6. Once you've selected your material, click on the Done button. You're doing great. With the material ready, it's time to make sure the right tool is in place for a smooth cut. Step 7. If you've already loaded the tool, that's great. If not, insert the fine point blade into your cutting machine. Step 8. Insert the Smart Vinyl directly into your cutting machine, then press the Load button to feed it inside. Step 9. Press the Go button, and your machine will start cutting your design. Step 10. Once the cut is complete, press the Load button to unload the material. Cutting complete. Now we get to the satisfying part, revealing your design. Step 11. Weed out the excess vinyl using the weeder tool. Step 12. Lift the sticky transfer tape away from the liner sheet. Step 13. Position its sticky side down over your decal and use a scraper to firmly press the transfer tape onto it. Step 14. Gently peel the transfer tape away from your design, making sure the design stays in place. Step 15. Finally, position the design on a clean surface and use a scraper to transfer it firmly in place.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, you can subscribe our channel. You can also visit Manny Maker or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't addressed your issue yet, please let us know in the comment section.